6 plants that lower blood sugar and help increase insulin. Did you know that certain plants can naturally help lower blood sugar and improve insulin function? These aren't just ordinary herbs. They have science-backed benefits that can support diabetes management. What if you could grow your own natural blood sugar remedies right in your garden? Imagine having easy access to powerful health-boosting plants without relying solely on medications. In this video, we'll reveal 6 incredible plants that can help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance overall health. Stick around to learn how to grow and use them effectively. Managing blood sugar naturally is a top priority for many people with diabetes, and nature provides some incredible solutions. While medications play an important role, incorporating natural remedies can give an extra boost to blood sugar control and overall health. The problem is that many people don't realize how powerful certain plants can be. Some of these herbs and greens have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help stabilize blood sugar and improve insulin function. The best part? You can grow them right at home, ensuring a fresh and organic source of these benefits. Stick around as we explore 6 powerful plants that can help regulate blood sugar, how they work, and the best ways to include them in your diet. You might be surprised by how easy it is to add these natural remedies to your daily routine. Number 1. Bitter melon. Bitter melon has been a staple in traditional medicine for managing blood sugar levels. It contains active compounds like charantin and polypeptide P, which mimic the effects of insulin and help lower blood sugar naturally. Studies suggest that bitter melon can improve glucose uptake and reduce insulin resistance, making it a powerful tool for those looking to manage diabetes naturally. This plant is packed with antioxidants and fiber, both of which play a role in slowing sugar absorption and preventing sudden spikes. Some research even indicates that regular consumption of bitter melon may enhance pancreatic function, helping the body produce and utilize insulin more efficiently. The best way to enjoy bitter melon is by incorporating it into your diet. You can slice it and add it to stir-fries, soups, or even blend it into juices. Bitter melon tea is another popular option, offering a mild way to consume its benefits without the intense bitterness. If you find the taste too strong, try pairing it with other ingredients like lemon or ginger to balance the flavor. This plant thrives in warm climates and can easily be grown in a backyard garden or even in pots. It requires plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to flourish. Harvesting the fruit when it's still green ensures the highest concentration of beneficial compounds. If you're looking for a natural way to help lower blood sugar, bitter melon is definitely a plant worth adding to your garden. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is much more than a flavorful spice. It has been widely studied for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Research shows that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for cells to absorb glucose and keep blood sugar levels stable. This is especially beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, as it helps the body use insulin more efficiently. One of the key compounds in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, has been linked to lower fasting blood sugar levels and reduced post-meal glucose spikes. It works by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which leads to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Regular consumption of cinnamon may also help reduce inflammation, which is often linked to insulin resistance and metabolic disorders. Adding cinnamon to your daily routine is simple and delicious. You can sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a warm, slightly sweet flavor without adding sugar. It also pairs well with coffee or herbal teas, giving you an easy way to enjoy its benefits. Some people even take cinnamon supplements, but it's important to choose Ceylon cinnamon over cassia cinnamon, as cassia contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. If you're interested in growing your own cinnamon, the plant thrives in warm, humid climates and can be cultivated in pots if you provide enough sunlight and moisture. While it takes time for a cinnamon tree to mature, having a homegrown source of this powerful spice can be a rewarding addition to your natural health routine. Whether used fresh or dried, cinnamon is a simple yet effective way to support blood sugar control. Number 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an ancient medicinal plant that has been used for centuries to support overall health, especially when it comes to managing blood sugar. Both its seeds and leaves contain powerful compounds that help regulate glucose levels naturally. One of the key benefits of fenugreek is its high fiber content, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes. Studies suggest that fenugreek may also improve insulin function, making it easier for your body to process glucose efficiently. This can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, fenugreek contains unique plant compounds like saponins and alkaloids that help regulate metabolic processes linked to blood sugar control. The best way to incorporate fenugreek into your routine is by using its seeds, which can be soaked in water overnight. Drinking this water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose absorption. You can also grind the seeds into a powder and sprinkle it over meals, mix it into smoothies, or add it to soups and stews for an extra health boost. Fenugreek leaves are another excellent option, commonly used in cooking for their slightly bitter but aromatic flavor. You can include fresh fenugreek leaves in salads or cook them with other vegetables to create a nutrient-packed dish. If you prefer a more convenient option, fenugreek supplements are available in capsule or powder form, offering an easy way to get its benefits without changing your diet too much. However, as with any herbal remedy, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before adding fenugreek to your routine, especially if you are on diabetes medications. By making fenugreek a part of your daily routine, you can take advantage of its natural blood sugar regulating properties and enjoy a simple, effective way to support your overall health. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely known for its healing properties, especially for the skin, but it also has powerful benefits for blood sugar control. This medicinal plant contains bioactive compounds, including antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes that can help improve glucose metabolism. Studies have shown that aloe vera may help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. The plant's natural anti-inflammatory properties can also support overall metabolic health by reducing oxidative stress, which is often linked to insulin resistance. One of the easiest ways to consume aloe vera is by drinking its juice. However, it's essential to use pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice in moderation, as excessive consumption may cause digestive issues. Start with a small amount, such as a tablespoon mixed with water, and gradually increase if tolerated well. Another way to incorporate aloe vera is by adding fresh aloe gel to smoothies or mixing it with a low-sugar beverage. Some people also consume aloe vera supplements, but as with any herbal remedy, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you're on diabetes medication. For those who prefer a more natural approach, growing aloe vera at home is an excellent option. The plant is easy to maintain, requires minimal watering, and can be harvested whenever needed. Simply cut a leaf, extract the gel, and use it fresh. By including aloe vera in your diet in a balanced way, you can take advantage of its blood sugar regulating properties while also benefiting from its overall health supporting effects. Number 5. Holy basil. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a powerful herb with a long history in Ayurvedic medicine. It's often called the queen of herbs due to its numerous health benefits, including its ability to support blood sugar regulation. One of the key ways holy basil helps with blood sugar control is by reducing stress-related hormone imbalances. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to insulin resistance and higher blood sugar levels over time. Tulsi acts as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body manage stress more effectively, indirectly improving glucose metabolism. In addition to its stress-relieving effects, holy basil contains natural compounds like eugenol and caryophyllene, which have been shown to enhance insulin function and lower blood sugar levels. Research suggests that regular consumption of holy basil can improve fasting blood glucose and post-meal sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. One of the easiest ways to consume holy basil is by brewing it into a tea. Simply steep fresh or dried tulsi leaves in hot water for a few minutes and enjoy. Drinking this tea regularly can help support blood sugar balance while also providing antioxidant and immune-boosting benefits. If you prefer using fresh leaves, you can add them to salads, soups, or stir-fries for a mild, slightly peppery flavor. Some people even chew fresh tulsi leaves in the morning as part of their daily health routine. Tulsi supplements are also available in capsule or tincture form, but it's best to consult a healthcare provider before adding them to your regimen, especially if you are on medication. Growing holy basil at home is easy, as it thrives in warm climates and can be cultivated in pots or gardens. Having a fresh supply allows you to harvest and use the leaves whenever needed. Incorporating holy basil into your diet and lifestyle can be a natural and effective way to support insulin function, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a powerful medicinal plant with remarkable benefits for blood sugar control. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, but its impact on blood sugar and insulin sensitivity makes it especially valuable for diabetics. Studies suggest that ginger helps lower fasting blood sugar levels and improves how the body uses insulin. One way it does this is by increasing glucose uptake in muscle cells without requiring extra insulin. This makes it particularly helpful for people dealing with insulin resistance. In addition to supporting insulin function, ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to metabolic disorders, including type 2 diabetes, so adding ginger to your diet can support overall metabolic health. One of the easiest ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine is by making ginger tea. Simply slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for a soothing and blood sugar-friendly drink. You can also add fresh or powdered ginger to smoothies, stir-fries, soups, or even baked goods for a natural boost. For those looking for an extra potent dose, ginger supplements are available in capsules or tinctures. However, it's important to use them in moderation and consult a healthcare provider if you're taking medications that affect blood sugar levels. Growing ginger at home is surprisingly simple. All you need is a piece of fresh ginger root, some well-draining soil, and a warm environment. Over time, it will sprout and provide a steady supply of fresh ginger for culinary and medicinal use. By making ginger a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its blood sugar-lowering benefits while also boosting digestion, reducing inflammation, and enhancing overall health. Key takeaways. Throughout this video, we've explored 6 incredible plants that can naturally help lower blood sugar and improve insulin function. These include bitter melon, cinnamon, fenugreek, aloe vera, holy basil, and ginger, all of which offer unique health benefits while supporting better glucose control. Each of these plants works in different ways to help manage diabetes. Some, like bitter melon and fenugreek, help slow carbohydrate digestion and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Others, like cinnamon and ginger, improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process glucose. Aloe vera and holy basil provide additional support by reducing inflammation and balancing stress hormones, both of which play a role in blood sugar regulation. The best part is that many of these plants are easy to grow at home. Whether you have a garden, balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, you can cultivate these natural remedies and have them readily available whenever you need them. Incorporating these plants into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Simple changes like drinking bitter melon tea, sprinkling cinnamon on your morning oatmeal, or adding fresh ginger to your meals can make a big difference over time. If you're looking for natural ways to support diabetes management, these 6 plants are a great place to start. Experiment with different ways to use them and see what works best for your lifestyle and dietary preferences. Making simple changes like incorporating these powerful plants into your daily routine can have a big impact on managing blood sugar and supporting overall health. Whether you choose to grow them at home or add them to your diet in small ways, every step counts toward better blood sugar control. Which of these plants are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips.